Today we're going to talk about the basics of burping your baby. So babies need to be burped for a lot of reasons. They tend to swallow air, and this can happen at times when they're really hungry and they're crying, or even at times when they're eating, whether it's from nursing or even from a bottle. When they get a lot of air in their bellies, it can give them a sensation of being full and also some discomfort. Some babies actually don't show any symptoms at all that their belly is full of air, but it's still important to burp them. There are two ways that you can burp a baby. It's going to be dependent on how old they are and their level of development. When your baby is brand new and is newborn, they're going to be a lot more floppy and less energetic than my daughter right here. The first way you can try to burp her is just sitting them up on your leg like this and supporting their head and neck. Be careful not to put your hand too tightly around their neck. You want to make sure that they can breathe okay. Lean them forward and give them some gentle pats on the back. Just like this. The second way that you can burp your baby, which is appropriate for a baby who's about Bria's age, who has good head control, is using your shoulder. So you put them on your shoulder like this, make sure you support their bottom, and you give them some gentle pats, just like this. Now, most babies are gonna burp within a minute or so. If you notice that your baby hasn't burped, it's okay. Sometimes you just have to change your position or change the baby's position. Sometimes something as simple as bicycling their legs and moving them around can help relieve some of that excess gas. You wanna burp most babies until they reach about 6 months of age. But developmentally, when they start to sit up and start to burp on their own, is when you can start to back off on burping them on their own. Every baby's different. There are some medications that you can get for supplementation over the counter or at your drugstore. Things like Mylicon, gas relief drops, or even gripe water. Talk to your pediatrician before starting any of these medications.